Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Happy Solana Saturday to you. I hope you're having a fantastic day. We're going to take a quick look here at this beast and see how much further it's going to go. Quick congrats to our Premium Plus group here. We took, 36% in 14 hours on Solana, 70% in 4 days, 17 hours, 3 days, 19 hours, 61. You can kind of see the list goes on here. So congrats again to our community members. Those were some healthy profits from yesterday. Some massive scalping there for our day trading group. So taking a look here at Solana, what we want to talk about is a couple key factors. We're going to look at the back end stuff here really quick too, see what our liquidation levels look like, and jump into some of the charts here. Oh, just before we do, make sure you jump on over to our BitGenix Exchange. Phenomenal exchange, extremely good rewards. They're going to have trading competitions for us as well as a community. If you use my link below, you'll benefit from this, but keep in mind too, they have like trailing stop losses, no KYC, no VPN requirements. Phenomenal exchange. I'm super happy that we are working with them now. So again, congrats to our community members for some nice options there. Because again, US and Canada, we have trouble, getting some good exchanges available for us. So again, happy days. All right, so let's take a quick look here on the daily and see kind of what's going on. These are some pretty monster candles, and I got some folks asking too, hey, should I short? Should I close my short? The answer is don't short, and yeah, you probably should adjust your stop loss. Make sure you're not using too much leverage, low position size, etc. Yeah, it kind of sucks. You might get stopped out on a couple trades, but it's better to get hit with a stop loss than to keep running with a cross leverage trade and just adding to your bag until it explodes, right? So, okay, let's look at the daily here and kind of work our way down. When we talked yesterday, we had some previous liquidity levels. We'll talk about that here too. There isn't a tremendous amount of volume up here at this upper level, but if we take a look at larger time frames here, right about $58 is a support / resistance level. So if we take a look at previous levels, we can see we had some trouble here and some trouble back here. Pretty much 58 should work as somewhat of a support if the price pulls back to that level. We're at 62-ish right now. Maybe might just be a thing of the past, like a majority of these other supports, but I want you to know that is a potential reality. Okay. All right, so taking a look at TD sequential, we can see we're 6 days into this continuation. We could literally see another 3 to 7 days of upwards momentum. Okay, so just know shorting against this coin is very dangerous. Main reason why, take a look at this volume. This is an insane amount of volume, and it's not stopping. Okay, as volume continues to flow into coins, we're going to continue to see price action maintain itself and continue higher, even without good reason. Okay, so just note that FOMO is a very real thing. Everyone's trying to get into this coin right here, regardless of all the nonsense from before. In fact, we talked about this briefly, or somebody brought this up here. Solana, how many hacks, how many outages have they had, and they still continue to go higher, right? So it's just funny how some people can kind of forget about all that when the price is just surging. Okay, so try not to FOMO in, but also you probably should too, if that makes any sense. Anyways, we got some alerts here at lower levels if it even returns back to normal, so we can buy the dip, but that may not even happen. Keep in mind, missed out on some opportunities here as far as our swing trades are concerned, but we milked the clock on the daily, basically the day trade. So again, 6 to 1, half a dozen the other, right? So what we're gonna look at here is a couple of key levels. So first of all, once again, this $58 mark is a point of contention. It was a resistance originally, should work as a new support. Hypothetically, that's the case, okay? So 0.236 for the win there, roughly $58 could be the new low. We can see the price action came down here to about 54 to bounce and did quite well. If we were to see a pullback, these are the levels you want to kind of note, because I get the question often, can you let us know what the retracement areas are? Well, just simply put, it's always 0.382, 0.5, or 0.618. In this case, coincidentally, a previous resistance turn support is $58. That may just be the bouncing point. But as the price continues to come lower, we can see 0.382 provided some support. 0.5 is the most common area of retracement, and 0.618 is the winning number there on average for any type of target you're going to want to shoot for regarding take profit, stop loss, etc. So to me, in a situation like this, buying the next dip would be fantastic, but at this point, I'm probably going to steer clear of this coin for a little while until it calms down. Again, I've been known to miss opportunities. That's perfectly fine. But I'd rather miss an opportunity than to have jumped in at the worst point. Okay. So I'm not saying the price is going to just nosedive, but these are the good areas to get into if it does. Furthermore, we're going to take a look at liquidity here. Previous liquidity level has been swept. Big surprise. This is a very common occurrence in cryptocurrency right now where the price action sweeps the previous liquidity level, comes back down to retest it like we see here, and just takes off. Okay. Bitcoin's done it 2 times now. It's looking to do it a 3rd time at the 38,000 mark. We're going to see if that happens. If that does, Solana's going to continue to beast out and continue higher. We got a small fair value gap between 52 and 53. Just to note that moving averages are running perfectly, smoothly until we break below any one of these moving averages. Do not bet against it. Okay, we need to have some kind of confirmation for a short, and just overextension alone doesn't mean anything right now. Okay, crypto market's running, and we need to ensure that with high volume, we practice respect by not shorting coins that are extremely overextended. It seems very juicy, but trust me, you're much better off waiting for a long or getting in at the top than you are trying to short on the way down. Okay? Keep in mind, Bitcoin does correct itself to the 34,000 range. We will see a correction for majority of altcoins. I'm actually fairly surprised it hasn't happened yet. But truth is, again, crypto is what it is. November's notoriously a strong month. This is not the month to be shorting. Okay, just a heads up on that. All right, taking a look at the hourly. Last thing but not least is, of course, Ichimoku Cloud. All green lights here, no reason to even consider closing your long position and or taking a short. Okay, so all green lights for the upside, and I think we're going to see further continuation until it decides it wants to slow down. Yes, it's overextended, but it really doesn't matter. Money flow is extremely high, and we need to follow the money. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Once again, make sure you jump on over to our new exchange here, our new partnership. Use the link down below to qualify for some of these benefits. And I look forward to working with you in the future. If you want to jump on over to our Twitter, Telegram, or Discord, we have a really awesome group of traders. Thanks so much for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.